Learn how to assemble the Steam Thru II Connector from CPC. Please reference these product specifications for best operating results. You can also find these on our website and in our catalog. The Steam Thru II Connector's innovative 3-port design allows steam to pass directly through the connector, creating a sterile connection between stainless steel processing equipment and single-use systems. During assembly, it is important that the single-use system and steam condensate lines are properly supported to eliminate external forces or side load on the connector. Step 1. Attach the equipment port to the stainless steel processing equipment utilizing a sanitary gasket and sanitary tri-clamp. Step 2. Attach the steam condensate line to the steam condensate port using a sanitary gasket and sanitary tri-clamp. It is important to make sure the steam condensate line is not creating any external force or side load on the Steam Thru II connector. Step 3. Perform a steam-in-place sterilization process per your validated steam cycle, staying within the recommended specifications for the connector. Step 4. After the steam-in-place sterilization process, allow the connector to cool to room temperature. It is important to make sure there is no pressure built up within the steam condensate path during actuation. Remove the white protective sleeve, press the connector thumb latch, and actuate the valve to the flow position. You are now ready for sterile fluid transfer. Step 5. After fluid transfer, press the connector thumb latch and transition the connector back to the original steam position for a second and final steam-in-place sterilization cycle. For further details, please review our Steam Thru Best Practices video. Thank you for choosing CPC.